Is your game stuttering for no reason? FPS dropping even when your specs should handle everything fine? In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful tool that goes deep into your Windows settings, unlocking hidden performance, fixing stutters, and giving you the smooth, responsive gaming experience your system was always capable of. Let's break it down.
What works with the lag and high ping while you play games, so that you need GEARUPBOOSTER. This is the ultimate tool to lower your ping, boost stability, and give you zero lag. Pro players like Asian Jeff and Polarized use it to stay ahead. So why not you? Download GEARUPBOOSTER now from the link in the description and dominate every match.
After downloading by using the link in the description, open it. Once you launch the tool, you'll be greeted with a clean and beginner-friendly interface designed for fast and efficient use. Everything is neatly categorized, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you can still navigate it easily. At the top, you'll see a simple toolbar with core options. File lets you import or export your custom settings for later use. Actions allow you to instantly apply performance-boosting tweaks or undo all changes with one click. View gives you options like switching to dark mode, organizing by category, or showing technical IDs. Help links you to the built-in documentation and update checker for staying current. But the true value lies in the tweakable categories. These include privacy, app permissions, Cortana and search, Edge and OneDrive, location services, Microsoft Office telemetry, user behavior tracking, Windows updates, Copilot, and recall, all of which can impact gaming performance. You can choose whether to apply changes just for your current user or for all users on the system. Every setting has a small description and is color-coded for guidance. Green means it's safe and recommended for most users. Yellow means it's generally safe but could disable certain features. Red means it might break specific functions and should be used carefully. If you're not sure what something does, hover over it. A helpful tooltip will appear. Right-clicking gives you options like undoing the change or reading more about it. Before you apply any changes, it's smart to create a restore point. The tool will prompt you automatically the first time you try to tweak something. Click Yes. It only takes a minute and protects you in case something doesn't work right.
To get started with GEARUPBOOSTER, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GEARUPBOOSTER interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GEARUPBOOSTER. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS.
Now, for beginners or gamers who just want a fast, no-risk performance boost, head to Actions, apply only recommended settings. This applies around 70-80 tweaks, mostly the green-tagged ones, which are proven to speed up Windows, free up CPU and RAM, and reduce unnecessary background services that cause lag. Some of these key changes include disabling Cortana, which reduces background CPU load blocking telemetry and diagnostics that consume network and system resources, removing ads and suggestions from the lock screen and start menu, restricting access to personal data like your location, contacts, and calendar, disabling ad tracking and handwriting data collection to cut down on background tasks. These changes are completely safe, won't interfere with Windows updates, and won't affect your ability to use major apps. They're perfect for gamers who want smoother, more responsive gameplay without digging deep into manual tweaks. After applying these settings, you might be prompted to restart your PC. Do it. This ensures the optimizations are applied fully. If you want to go even further, you can select Actions, apply recommended and somewhat recommended settings. This will apply over 200 tweaks, going deeper into removing bloat, tightening background permissions, and improving real-time system performance. It disables even more telemetry, unneeded services, and apps that slow down your PC over time. But caution, some of these advanced tweaks could disable features like OneDrive Sync, Xbox Game Bar, or auto driver updates, so be sure to read the tooltip before toggling anything yellow. If something breaks or stops working after applying changes, don't panic. To revert everything instantly, go to Actions, undo all changes. Your system will return to its original settings in seconds. Need to reverse only one change? Just right-click the toggle and choose Undo this change. Some tweaks take effect right away, while others, especially those related to services or privacy settings, require a restart. Most important thing is that Microsoft often resets your privacy and performance settings during updates, so it's a good idea to reopen the tool and click Reapply Previous Settings. So guys, that was today's video. With just a few clicks, this tool helps you eliminate hidden system processes, block performance-draining background services, and fully unlock your PC's potential for gaming. You'll immediately feel the difference: lower input lag, smoother frame rates, and a system that finally feels built for performance.